What's up, everybody? Hello again. Hello, beautifuls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julie. If you are a return subscriber, we love you here. My name is Juliet. You are all welcome. So today, I do mostly lifestyle content, cooking, and everything around it. So today, I want to just turn around the videos that I do. I want to do a cooking video today, purely cooking videos, no vlog, no anything. I want to just cook for you guys. Yeah, I show you my prowess in making especially Swahili dishes. Today I want to make muhogo, I mean cassava, coconut cassava. Muhogo anazi, yes, I want to make that. So stick with me as I show you simple recipe, affordable, that you can all manage and make it at your home. Yeah, so you might want to like this video and subscribe, guys. So let me show you first. Someone was requesting how to make tuna nazi. They don't know how to make that. I want to go with the process of making the tui, I mean the coconut water that I'll be using to make my cassava. So first of all, I want to make coconut water. Yeah, I have my coconut here, grated coconut. I'll use this to make coconut water, which I'll use to make my cassava. So I'll show you the whole process. Stick with me as I'm going to show you everything from scratch. You're welcome. Here we start. So this is my coconut. I've grated it using this grater. So I want to make the coconut water now. So come with me. Let's see. up to there, I'm so glad you've stayed with me up to this end. We've made rojo and it turned out so perfectly. So I came to test with you, and that's why I close this video. I can't wait to test. So this was what we made. Looks delicious, right? Yeah, this was what we made, so I want to test with you. It smells amazing, amazing, amazing. I just want to eat using my hands, but with you I'll have to test using this spoon. So let's first test this soup here. Tastes delicious. You can never go wrong with coconut cassava. It's always slaps. I wish you all had a bite. Tastes amazing. Yeah, it looks amazing, smells amazing, tastes amazing. So good. I can't wait to just go and sit and do like this, using my hands. I have to go and sit and take this. You can accompany it with either fish, meat on the side, just a little bit of protein, but right now I just want to eat this one. And maybe for dinner I'll just go make maybe fish stew and have it with it. So up to there, I am so glad you've watched this video to the end. Yeah, and tell me in the comment section whether I should do more of these videos, because I do not normally do cooking videos, but I've been meaning to. But until this one, I just think I should be at least dedicating time and doing a cooking video with you. But I enjoyed filming and also shooting. I enjoyed filming as well as presenting this to you guys, and I hope you support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. I am so glad. Thank you for being here. Yeah, and up to there I say it's a wrap. See you on the next one.